In this video, we are going to implement the save button in the form with the first name and the last name. The changes must be saved back into this concept. Let's cut paste the script from the unit. This script first takes the URI to be whatever the URI in the handlebar is. We need to pass it later. And then it takes the input fn and input ln and extracts the value using jQuery. Finally, it uses the $CJS API to save the first name and the last name back into this concept identified by the URI. The changes are saved and we return false so that the event handler prevents the default. Here's the property map. We are going to add one more placeholder called URI and set it to home.uri, which is the URI of this concept. Now the save button is hooked into a click handler. Let's change it to Jack Johnson. And if you refresh it in the editor, you will see the last name has changed to Johnson. And if you refresh again, the server-side value of the last name is fed back into the form as the default. So this is the entire flow. We can also make changes on the editor and see it on the viewer, and vice versa. Let's open the example jQuery form in the debugger. You can see the first name, last name. This is the HTML template that we had written. The property map now has the URI as the URI of the home, and you can see this URI matches the concept details. And finally, the page rendered by Mustache includes the URI with the correct value, which is why when you hit save, it goes to the right place.